Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make money by joining and promoting Amazon affiliate products. Amazon affiliate program, also known as Amazon Associate, is a great way to earn a commission by promoting their product to your audience. You don't have to own the product. You don't have to own a warehouse. All you need is just a virtual store. All you need is just your network. It is a win-win situation as your audience get access to a great product and you earn a commission for the sales that is made through your network. So how do you get started with Amazon Associate program or Amazon Affiliate program? The first step is to sign up for Amazon Associate program. You can do this by visiting the Amazon Associate website and follow the steps that we're going to outline below. So before you join, please make sure that you have a website or a blog, because that will help to facilitate your approval by Amazon to become an affiliate. So in our next video, we're going to show you how you can start promoting your product when you have already signed up, when you've joined the program. So the first step is actually signing up for Amazon affiliate. So if you've logged on to Amazon, so what you need to do is to scroll down to the bottom. So you see where we have to become an affiliate. So once you click that, so here it says recommend product and commission. So you're going to click sign up. But one thing to consider before you sign up is make sure that you have a website or you have a blog, because that will help to facilitate the approval of you becoming Amazon affiliate. So once you put your add up your information here and say create an account, so it's going to ask you some other information, your personal information, your titles, your name, your address. So once you complete that, then you've created an account and as an Amazon affiliate. So we're going to move to the next step.